Friday, April 13th, 1:30 p.m. Mountain Time, 2018. Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about some severe weather. In fact, a special weather statement has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center for this part of the U.S. I made a map giving you a kind of an outline of where the severe weather is expected to occur. The special weather statement is in effect until 10 p.m. tonight Central Time. So if you're in this area, but keep this in mind, it's not limited to just this area. But if you're in this area, pay close attention to your local weather forecast. Be prepared at any time to seek shelter. If you have a basement, I would stick close to it if you're in this area. The statistics that I'm about to read you from the Storm Prediction Center are very rare. In fact, I've never seen this before, but we're going to share it here in just a moment. But in this area here, if you have a basement, be prepared to use it. If you don't have a basement, make sure you have a designated safe spot in your home, like an interior room with no windows. If you don't have a basement, that's the best you're going to be able to do. You want to be away from glass, okay? So an interior room with no windows, and I'll explain why. This is the GOES 16. This is the latest satellite loop, and you can see the storms are starting to develop over the Midwest, Arkansas, Missouri, especially Oklahoma, far eastern Texas right now, and western Arkansas, as I said earlier. I'm going to zoom in a little closer. These storm tops are getting very tall. That's what that yellow and red indicates. Starts getting black, you know they are towering. The special weather statement is a PDS. I'm going to read to you what that means here in just a moment. They don't issue these very often. When they do, conditions are very, very favorable for severe weather and severe storms. They've issued a PDS, particularly dangerous situation. Right now, the area is most of Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, and it's actually now extended to a larger portion of eastern Texas and far southeastern Oklahoma. Tornadoes. The probability of 2 or more tornadoes, 95%. The probability of 1 or more strong F2 to F5 tornadoes, 80%. Wind, probability of 10 or more severe wind events, 80%. Hail, probability of 10 or more severe hail events, 80%. And the last one here, combined severe hail and wind, probability of 6 or more combined events, 95%. So as I was saying earlier, if you don't have a basement, have a safe spot in your home. These storms are beginning to strengthen, and they're only going to get stronger as the day moves forward. And this special weather statement is in effect until 10 p.m. this evening Central Standard Time. So definitely have a plan. They're talking hail of possibly up to 2.5 inches in diameter. That's nearly grapefruit size. And these are the predictions. They could be bigger and they could be less. You can see the areas, though, are pretty solid. They've got this area here highlighted for a reason, because this is where the mechanics are starting to come together and create these big towering supercells that can create severe weather. So have a plan. If you don't have a basement, be prepared to go to an interior room that has no glass. I wouldn't be in an upstairs room that has windows. An interior room that has no glass, and ideally a basement. So be prepared if you're in this area right here. Severe weather, the possibility of multiple tornadoes today, and large hail are very, very likely. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a super day and be safe out there.